Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'll show you how to install and of course play the Elden Ring Seamless Coop and Randomizer mods. Guys, firstly let us go to Nexus mods and let us find both of these mods. So let us just go to Elden Ring. Okay, and now pretty much guys, you can either go to the popular and Seamless Coop. It can be found easily like this. And in terms of the randomizer, let us type that in. So Nexus mods, randomizer. There you go. This is the mod. So guys, just go ahead into the files section and download the files. Press on slow download and download the files like this. Okay, so start download. Download it. First one done. Now the second one, files, manual download. Install the runtime, this is necessary. Download. Slow download. Okay, 50 megabytes. Let's go. Alright guys, now let us install the hard one first. The first mod is gonna be the randomizer. So this mod will have to be installed with Mod Engine. So you just download Mod Engine right here from the GitHub page. Very easy. Unzip the folder, for example, to your desktop and let us continue. Okay guys, so there's going to be quite a bit of folders on the screen right now. So after downloading and unzipping the mod engine, you will have something like this, but the only thing you will be missing is the Elden Ring executable that you will absolutely need first. So to get it, you just need to go to your Steam apps, basically the folder with your games from Steam. After that, common, find your Elden Ring game, go to game, and just copy and paste this Elden Ring executable into this folder with the mod engine. And now the installation is done. And of course, do not forget to go into the mod and from your archive, copy the randomizer files. Alright, and now your mod is pretty much installed. You can close this window. And now guys, instead of launching eldenring.exe, you just need to launch the Elden Ring launch mod eldenring.bat. So this will make sure to launch your game alongside the mod itself as well. Now guys, in terms of how to install the Seamless Coop, it's also very easy. So guys, you just need to open your archive. So as you can see, we will have one folder and one file. This is the launcher for the mod. So you drag and drop both of these files into your folder. As you can see, I already have them because I'm playing the game. And guys, in your Seamless Coop folder, you will have this ERC settings file. So in here, just find your password field. Inside the password, you will have to have the same password, both you and any of your friends that you will play with. This is very important. The password has to be the same so that the session is available for all of you guys. And yeah, you have to share the same password. And after that, guys, you just launch this ERC launcher. This will launch the Seamless Coop, and it will of course work alongside your randomizer mod. So guys, it's very simple. Just launch ERSC launcher like this. Also, as you can see, it doesn't launch because you need to start up the Steam first. Okay, now I have launched the Steam. So as you can see, I'm just gonna launch the application and my game is successfully started now. Okay, and guys, make sure to create a new character because your old save files will not work. As you can see, Elden Ring Seamless Coop is installed.